To install Premier CS4 on Windows OS, you'll need the following minimum hardware and software configuration. Computer processor, 2 GHz or faster processor for DB, 3.4 GHz for HDB, dual 2.8 GHz for HD. Operating system, Microsoft Windows XP SP2, SP3 recommended, or Vista SP1. Hard disk space, 10 GB free space, additional free space required during installation. 7200 RPM hard drive for editing compressed video formats. RAM, 2 GB of RAM. Video card, 16-bit GPU equipped video card for OpenGL 2.0 compatible. Monitor resolution, 1280 into 900 and above. DVD-ROM drive. To install InDesign CS4 through DVD.